Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to transfer money from Capital One to another bank. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of transferring money between banks. There are a lot of reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe you're switching banks, or maybe you just want to have a backup account. Whatever the reason, it's important to know how to transfer money safely and efficiently. Now, let's get into the meat of the matter. How long does it take to transfer money from Capital One to another bank? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, such as the type of transfer you're doing and the bank you're transferring to. Here are the different types of transfers you can do from Capital One. Online transfer. This is the fastest way to transfer money from Capital One. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for the money to reach your other account. Mobile transfer. This is another quick and easy way to transfer money. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for the money to reach your other account. Wire transfer. This is a more secure way to transfer money, but it can take longer. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days for the money to reach your other account. Check. This is the slowest way to transfer money. It can take up to 7 to 10 business days for the money to reach your other account. The time it takes for the money to reach your other account will also depend on the bank you're transferring to. Some banks process transfers faster than others. Here are a few tips for transferring money from Capital One. Be sure to have the correct account information for the recipient. This includes their name, account number, and routing number. Double-check your information before submitting the transfer. Allow extra time for the transfer to process, especially if you're using a wire transfer or a check. Once the transfer is complete, you can check your account balance to make sure the money has been received. In addition to the methods I've mentioned, there are also a few other ways to transfer money from Capital One. For example, you can use a peer-to-peer payment service like Venmo or Zelle. These services are typically faster than traditional bank transfers, but they may have fees associated with them. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video on how to transfer money from Capital One to another bank. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.